the one thing that changed my wedding photography business forever. In my wedding photography business, there was one big change I made, or I guess one thing that I created. Looking back, it was the part that took me from a struggling part-time photographer to a full-time photographer working for myself. At the time, I was working my job at an Outback Steakhouse in Canada. I was doing some concert photography on weekends, and honestly, I was just trying to figure out what I wanted to do with my life. I was 80% sure I wanted to be a photographer, but the 20% hesitation was that there was no easy path for me to make that an actual job. It's very embarrassing to say, but I kind of wanted somebody to just hold my hand and show me exactly how to do it rather than spending the time experimenting for myself. I guess when it came down to it, I wanted the fastest, most efficient way to becoming full-time so that I could leave my job at Outback Steakhouse and start working for myself. I had dreams of traveling the world for work and, more importantly, just being independent of any outside job. On the photography side, I felt like I had all the skills I needed, but on the business side, I really needed help. In the beginning, it's so easy to overthink every single detail, like, will this small change on my website actually book me more couples, or was it better the way it was before? I found it incredibly challenging to properly split test anything in a wedding photography business. So what is it? The one thing that changed my wedding photography business forever? Well, you gotta buy the course. I'm kidding. Here it is. You already know it and you've been avoiding it. You've wanted to do this for the past 6 months, 12 months, 5 years, but you haven't. And it is a thing that you know is going to have an incredible impact on your business. And maybe this actually makes you a little bit afraid that you're going to be successful. But this wedding photography thing actually is going to work out for you. So here's the thing that you already know, you haven't done yet. BAPV. What does that stand for? Build a promo video. Here's how I did my first one in 2007. Look at that beautiful 2007 footage. First, write a 1 to 2 minute script. Second, set up a wedding shoot, an engagement shoot if you don't already have some behind the scenes. Third, record your script like this to a camera. And the amazing thing is, since 2007, the steps haven't changed. I was, and I still consider myself to be, very bad on camera. So that first video, I had a piece of paper and I would memorize the line, drop the paper on the ground, present the line to the camera, pick up the paper, read the next line, and go again. So that first promo video I used for about 5 years, and in the time I used it, it got over 50,000 views, which if you look at it versus a Mr. Beast video, it's nothing. But if you consider that even 10,000 potentially paying couples saw that video, it is a ridiculous opportunity. Not only that, but now, just like this video, you need videos to advertise. A simple text link with your website isn't going to attract your ideal couples. What will really connect you to the couples that you want to work with is a video. It'll also keep your advertising costs way down because obviously social media prefers video content now. And also the people that click through to the link and cost you the real money are extremely qualified leads. So I can't go into full detail about everything in this ad, but I just posted my yearly flagship course. It's called Book More Weddings 2023. It's a course that I remake every single year completely. It's all new content based on the things that have changed over the past year. It is what is currently working for me and other wedding photographers all around the world. In Book More Weddings 2023, I also have 5 sample promo video scripts that you can use. I have a 15-day social media calendar that you can just repeat over and over again for easy year-round content, plus 30 days of social media ideas for wedding photographers if you want to go above and beyond. I've even included a few sample About Me scripts for your wedding photography website. Please modify them to suit you, but they're the bones of what you need. And until January 20th, 2023, you also get a bunch of bonus extras as well as a discount. You get access to Book More Weddings 2022, which is last year's, and 2021, which are completely different courses. It's not just a few things added each year, it is entirely remade. Plus my premium video set that just came out a few weeks ago called Your First Million in Wedding Photography, which is a guide to get your business to your first $1 million in the wedding photography industry. Next, you get access to my full preset pack, a $49 value on its own, my wedding photography email templates, my current contract, and my wedding photography photo checklist. It's a lot of stuff. If you want more stuff, until January 20th, for just $20 more, you can get access to even more. You can get access to my 3-hour wedding photography workshop, my guides to hybrid photo video wedding days, how to make a highlight film for photographers, real initial client meetings, advanced wedding photography marketing, welcome guide templates, pricing templates, a full pricing course. I'll stop listing because there's honestly so much stuff. So the difference is, first option, you get a large amount of stuff with bonuses. It's a one-time buy. The second option, with literally everything that I've ever made and offer right now, grants you access to a yearly members website, which also comes with ongoing content. I think there's about 100 weeks of ongoing content already up there. Plus, you also get access to our members only Facebook group. Access to the course, regardless of which way you go, will pause on January 20th. So you have to sign up before January 20th because it will pause until March 1st. I want to give all the early adopters that get in on Book More Weddings 2023 a chance to get things in motion before it's released fully to the public. So if you get in, you have access to it over that time period, but if you don't, you can't sign up again until March. As always, 100% money back guarantee. So within 30 days, if you decide the content isn't for you, send me an email. Email is here on the screen. So there is no risk. Give it a shot. Thousands of photographers have already tried my content and have seen massive years in their businesses. Wedding photography really is an amazing job, and I hope to see you inside this year's course before January 20th.